Peerless ships their bifolds in a number of ways, and it'll depend on the size and your application, so be sure to check with your Peerless team to find out how your bifold will be shipping. One of the ways that we'll ship the bifold will be a complete unit just as you see it here. If your bifold shows up this way, be sure to check your head and sill reveals for shipping blocks and other mechanisms to hold the unit tight during shipping. You'll want to remove these before opening the unit. These shipping blocks should be in line with vertical banding to hold everything tight. The other way you may receive your bifold would be in a knocked down version. We supply two different knockdown versions, one where the frame is pre-assembled and one where the frame is shipped completely knocked down, depending on the project-specific needs. We'll discuss a completely knocked down frame in a separate video, and we'll discuss hanging the panels when they're shipped loose in another video. In this video, what I want to highlight is how we label the frame. So every bifold that you receive from Peerless, if it is knocked down, will receive a label like you see here. We hang and test through operation every bifold that is produced. So the bifold will be completely hung, built, and operated before it ships out, even if it's shipped knocked down to you. When we do this to ensure that you have the best opportunity of getting the bifold reinstalled the same way we had it in the factory, we provide these labels. We'll take a closer look at these in a moment. These labels will be on each panel and will be identified to the mark number of your project. Let's take a closer look. So as you can see, on this unit, they're labeled interior view, and it's marked that it's the first vent on the rightmost side. And this we're calling mark A for demonstration purposes. And as you move across the unit, we come to our next mark, showing you it's the second, and third, and fourth. And these labels will be specific to the bifold unit that you have. If you have a 3-light unit, you will not have a sticker with 4 lights and just 3 marks. This picture on the sticker will represent the type of bifold that you are installing. Be sure to check out our other videos in our bifold playlist to find out more things about how to install, adjust, or in some cases, replace and repair components on our bifold. Thanks for watching.